Click on Import. Select to import graphics. Click to open. Click on the layer. Change the working mode to galvanometer engraving. The speed and power should be set according to the actual debugging effect. Different laser models should be set with corresponding frequencies. The light output delay should be set to a negative value to prevent missing strokes in the starting section. Appropriate let-off delay can eliminate the phenomenon of non-closure during carving completion. Appropriate corner delay can eliminate the rounded corner phenomenon during right-angle carving. The end delay is the time to wait for the laser to completely shut down. The laser delay should be set according to the actual situation. The smaller the step distance, the denser the filling. The filling type is selected based on the requirements and graphic type. Click on the application. Click on Download. Click on Processing.